Hello students, you all know little about Ctet. In this video, we will discuss about Ctet exam and its syllabus. Ctet is a national level exam conducted in India by the Central Board of Secondary Education. It is conducted to determine the eligibility of candidates for appointment as teachers. Ctet takes place twice a year and is for teachers who want to teach from class 1 to 8. In line with national education policy, the National Council for Teacher Education has decided to make the teacher eligibility test and central teacher eligibility test mandatory for teachers for all levels of school education. The Ctet certificate is valid for all the states and the candidate may get a chance to secure a seat as teachers in any of the government schools. The overall difficulty level of Ctet paper 2 generally moderate to difficult. There is no restrictions on the number of attempts a person can take for acquiring a Ctet certificate. A person who has qualified Ctet may also appear again for improving score. Any Indian student who are 10+2 passed with a minimum of 45% mark with 2 years diploma in elementary education, that is DL.Ed, are eligible to apply for paper 1. Or any graduate with at least 50% marks who is currently in the final year, that is last year appearing of their B.Ed or DL.Ed, can also appear for Ctet paper 1 and paper 2. Also, there are some relaxation for reservation category. Ministry of Education on 3rd June 2021 announced that government has decided to extend the validity period of the teachers eligibility test qualifying certificate from 7 years to lifetime with retrospective effect from 2011. The Ctet selection process will involve a minimum of 1 paper and maximum of 2 papers. Paper 1 is conducted for recruiting teachers for class 1 to class 5, while paper 2 is for those individuals who aspire to teach class 6 to class 8. There are 5 sections in Ctet paper 1: Child Development and Pedagogy, Language 1, Language 2, Mathematics and Environmental Studies. Each of the above mentioned section has 30 questions and 30 marks, that is total 150 questions with total 150 marks. Here the exam time is 150 minutes, that is 2.5 hours. And qualifying marks is 90 for general candidates and 82.5 for OBC, SC, ST categories. In Child Development and Pedagogy in Ctet paper 1, you have to read Child Development, Concept of Inclusive Education and Understanding Children with Special Needs, Learning and Pedagogy. In Language 1, you have to read Language Comprehension and Pedagogy of Language Development. In Language 2, you have to read Language Comprehension and Pedagogy of Language Development. In Mathematics, you have to read Geometry, Shapes and Spatial Understanding, Solids Around Us, Numbers, Addition and Subtraction, Multiplication and Division, Measurement, Weight, Time, Volume, Data Handling, Patterns, Money and Pedagogical Issues. The difficulty level of question can be up to secondary standard. In Environmental Studies, you have to read Family and Friends, Food, Shelter, Water, Travel, Things we make and do, and Pedagogical Issues. The difficulty level of question can be up to secondary standard. Ctet paper 2 exam has 3 mandatory sections: Language 1, Language 2 and Child Development and Pedagogy. Each section carries 30 marks and has 30 questions. Aspirants can choose between mathematics and science or social studies or social science. The 4th optional section will carry 60 questions and will be worth a maximum of 60 marks. Social science is for those candidates who wish to apply for becoming social science teachers. Similarly, mathematics and science are for aspirants who want to apply for the position of maths and science teachers. There is no sectional cutoff in this exam, so focus on your areas of strength and try to attain a high score in those sections in order to clear the overall cutoff. In Ctet paper 2, the time allotted is 150 minutes, that is 2.5 hours. To clear the Ctet, you need to score 90 out of 150 marks or a minimum of 60%. There are relaxations based on the categories on candidates belonging SC, ST, OBC, PWD, etc. In Child Development and Pedagogy in Ctet paper 2, you have to read Child Development, concept of inclusive education and understanding children with special needs, learning and pedagogy. In language 1, you have to read language comprehension and pedagogy of language development. In language 2, you have to read comprehension and pedagogy of language development. In mathematics, you have to read number system, algebra, geometry and pedagogical issues. Here the difficulty level of questions can be up to secondary standard. In science, you have to read food, materials, the world of the living, moving things, people and ideas, how things work, natural phenomena, natural resources and pedagogical issues. Here the difficulty level of question can be up to secondary standard. Finally, social science and social studies. Here you have to read history, geography, social and political life and pedagogical issues. Also here the difficulty level of question can be up to secondary standard. Once you qualify the Ctet exam, you are eligible to apply for primary teacher, trained graduate teacher, postgraduate trained teachers in central government schools such as Kendriya Vidyalaya schools, Delhi Subordinate Service Section Board schools and Navodaya Samiti schools. After qualifying Ctet, candidates can opt job in private and public government schools. DSSB, KVS and NVS allow only Ctet qualified candidates to apply for PRT, TGT and PGT post. Candidate can apply for subject matter expert post in edutech organizations and can create their own YouTube channel. Now, which is better, Ctet or TET? Ctet score will allow the candidates to be recruited in central government run schools such as Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya Vidyalaya, etc. Meanwhile, the TET score will allow the student to be recruited in one of the state government run schools situated in a particular state. I hope this discussion may help you for your future Ctet preparation. Thank you.